So if you're suffering from reactive alopecia, there's a few things you must note. Is you could use the right products to help you, at least during that period. There are products out there in the market which really helps women's hair loss. So find the product that is targeted for women's hair loss and not just hair loss in general. Because as you know from me, as you've learned, there are different types of hair loss. Yeah, so get the right hair loss treatment that's suited especially for women, because it's for temporary hair loss. Yeah. And also, we are what we eat, right? We are what we eat. It's important for us to eat the right nutrients during this period of time, yeah? To make sure that we have good biotin, ingredients that have biotins in it, like fish, oily fish, spinach, vitamin B's, vitamin C, antioxidants, etc., etc. All take supplements that helps with hair growth. The good news is, products that help with hair growth also helps with your nails. So a natural supplement, dietary supplement that you can eat definitely will help you with your hair and also help you with your nails. What other things can we do? We could also watch the way we shampoo, because sometimes we shampoo wrongly. We are so used to shampooing the hair, we don't shampoo the scalp, or we use conditioners. We use conditioners which are filled with lots and lots of silicone, and we use them all over the scalp, clogging the scalp. So that doesn't really help us if we're suffering from hair loss and we need our scalp to be really clean and healthy, because chances are it's full of sebum and we need to make it really clean, especially during this period. So it's very important that we use the right shampoo and conditioner, preferably one that is non-silicone. Yeah, you will see my videos. I'm always advocating choose products for your hair that is non-silicone. Those that you wash on, your shampoo and your rinse off conditioners, please get silicone-free products. Yeah, because it's really bad for your scalp. So if you're having hair loss right now, ladies, let's remember that it's not something that happened today, that you did, or yesterday. It was something that happened 2 to 3 months ago. So 2 to 3 months ago, something happened to your body and therefore you're having reactive alopecia. So like for me, after I've given birth, it will not be tomorrow my hair loss happens. It will only happen 2 to 3 months later. Why? Because when our body gets into shock, all our hair from the anagen phase, which is the growth stage, will all jump into the telogen phase, which is the stage where it's waiting to fall off. And even if it jumps to the telogen phase after I've given birth, that whole period takes about 2 to 3 months for the hair to slowly push itself out for it to fall off. So by the time it's visibly possible for you to see all the hair falling off, it's actually about 3 months later. So when your baby is like 3 months old, you will see that you're having lots of hair loss. So that's the time you will notice massive hair loss. So the thing is, if you're having lots of hair loss right now, ladies, think back what happened to you 2 to 3 months ago. Yeah, because that's what is the real trigger for your reactive alopecia.